Troops Haul Junk of Stafford, Virginia, and this is what we have going on this morning. It's a deck and above ground pool demo. This deck is approximately, 65 feet in length and about 25 to 30 feet in width. You know who to call. We have the experience, the manpower, the equipment, and our rates are phenomenal. Give us a call at 540-657-VETS. That number once again is 540-657-8387. You can also find us online at troopshauljunk.com and vetshauljunk.com. We'd love to serve you. And thank you for putting military veterans to work.